My video guide is about removing the unwanted browser extension that is called video skipping over. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it you will be able to skip ads while you are online, that you'll be able to skip or block video ads. But in reality, this particular extension called video skipping over actually functions as a typical adware. It displays numerous advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. Very often these ads may point you to a lot of shady and deceptive pages in the internet. So, if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and remove it as soon as you can. This is how you can get rid of third-party extensions that are not familiar to you. Simply do the following. Access the menu of the browser, then click on More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find any suspicious extensions here, you may disable and remove the extensions. Finally, I recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin carefully researching your system to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.